Guys, I am Shivan Srivastava. I share the syllabus of Diploma 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering for 4th semester syllabus for all students which are in 4th semester. Please share my screen and look at your syllabus. Your batch will be started from 15th July. First is on your syllabus is a 4th semester according to 4th semester. First is the communication skills. Second, which is based on the communicate, how to make people or communicate, which is basically discussed on the communication health, grammar and verbs. Second topic is the data management system. Data management system is based on the data management, how to manage your data to system and storage. Object oriented programming using Java for basic programming with the help of Java. Operating system, e-commerce and digital marketing, energy conservation and universal human values. Which are most important? First, have the data management systems. Most important are the object-oriented programming Java and operating system. Which are most important? Object-oriented programming Java using Java and operating system. Now we can see my screen. I share the syllabus of now. I teach on object. I teach to everyone. I share the videos and lectures of object-oriented programming using Java. Object-oriented programming basically on which are based on Java. According to syllabus, in 4th semester of diploma, introduction and features. Introduction of a Java and features, which are basically on 5 fields. That means 5 lectures attend for the introduction of Java and features of a Java. What use of a Java, how use of a Java, what is a Java, what is a OOPS, what is object oriented programming concept, class, what is object, reference, abstract, encapsulation, inheritance, that no. And second, language constructs. Language context. Third, class and object, which are based on 8 period. That means which are in 8 videos. I share which are 8, and 7 videos which have like 7 lectures of language constructions which have 7. Class and object which have 8 language, 8 periods. Now goes on your down screen. Inheritance. Inheritance are 6 periods. Basically, what is inheritance? Inheritance, use, and child inheritance. That is abstract, class, and inheritance. Abstract and class and inheritance. 6 is the polymorphism. What is a polymorphism? Method and const overloading, method overriding, use, cast, and downcasting. 6 periods, which have 6 videos. Exception handling. How handle exception. First topic is I share the first topic is how handle exception. Multi-threading. That is basically on 8 topics, which are divided into some other periods and some other videos. Practical also help and support for the solving the list of practicals solved with the help of. And I teach a operating system which have the based on. First is a overview of operating system. What is operating? That means actual view, total view, how work operating system, definition of operating system, type of operating system, services, user, operating systems. Process management principle and brief concept. Brief concept is the most important. And processor management. How to process deadlocks. Principle and brief concept. Both are based on brief concept. Process management and the deadlocks management principle. And deadlocks principle and brief concept. Memory management function. You see that memory management function, which are based on 10 periods. Input or output management functions, principle and brief concept, 4 period. File management principle on and brief. File management principle and brief concept. Linux operating system, most important software which are Linux operating systems. History of a Linux operating system and use, overview, structure of Linux operating system. That is our syllabus. ये आप लोग का सिलेबस है 4th सेमेस्टर का, जिसकी क्लास आप लोग की 15 जुलाई 2021 से स्टार्ट होने वाली है। अगर आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो क्लास होगी, और नहीं इंटरेस्टेड तो आप लोग की क्लास नहीं ली जाएगी। और आगे के लिए अगर आप लोग को इस सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए, कोई भी नोट चाहिए, वो आपको यहाँ से प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा। आप कांटेक्ट के लिए यूट्यूब पे कमेंट, लाइक, शेयर कर सकते हैं अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगे। और साथ ही साथ हिंदी इंग्लिश बोथ मिक्सअप, क्योंकि कुछ स्टूडेंट हैं जिनको इंग्लिश में भी डाउट, कुछ स्टूडेंट जिनको हिंदी में भी डाउट होगा, तो इसलिए दोनों का मिक्सअप यहाँ पे आप लोग का होगा। और टाइमिंग अगर आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड है, जिस हिसाब से मेरे लाइक सब्सक्राइबर रहेंगे उस हिसाब से टाइमिंग आप लोग को शेयर की जाएगी। और प्लीज़ आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल्स एंड शेयर to our friends which helpful for this semester. Thank you for this.